The police high command was also in the parish. Commissioner of Police Dr. Kevin Blake and his team assisted to clear roads blocked by trees. The commissioner met with the police from the Black River Police Station, which was damaged during the storm. Preliminary assessments are being made so that refurbishment can begin. The police say despite the unfortunate circumstances, they continue to do their best to ensure law and order as the parish recovers from Hurricane Beryl. Now, our reporter Kirk Wright got a first-hand look at the widespread destruction from above during the aerial tour of the affected areas and now joins us live with the latest. Kirk, what did you see?
Thank you very much. Now, I listened to my colleague's report from St. Elizabeth, and she used the word like devastated, decimated, and I'm thinking, can I coin a different word to describe the devastation I saw? And then I had the opportunity to see from the skies, and I can tell you, every roof, almost every roof was affected. Some were completely blown off, parts of some blown off, and you could see the roof material and things from the house, furniture scattered all over the hillside, because a lot of these houses are in the hills. So even the ones in the valleys weren't spared. It was just like the hurricane took the houses.
And we're seeing it now, Kirk. If you can talk us through it, yes.
That's part of St. Elizabeth. I think that's South St. Elizabeth,
right,
closer to Black River. Now it was just pure devastation, and the trees. The hurricane did, serious things to the trees. Nothing was spared, Janela. Everything got a touch of. People say that Hurricane Beryl is a baby to Hurricane Melissa, and that is true. As it relates to electricity, when we spoke with the president of the JPS today, he was shocked. He said the poles, some of the poles, the strongest poles in place, are some of the ones that folded. So he too was shocked because he too did an aerial view. I asked how soon, he expect that, parts of St. Elizabeth and the other parts of the country would get back electricity, and he was not able to say because he said, it's too much. He would need to do a greater assessment before he can give a timeline or anything of the sort. We also toured Sangster International Airport. Sections of the roof in the older part of the building has been damaged. Roof caved in, and causing the parts of the floor to be flooded. Exactly what you're looking at. So a section of the airport will be closed, but the minister insists that the airport has to be open as soon as possible to start taking in relief supplies so people can at least, get back to some, semblance of normalcy.
All right, thank you so much, Kirk. Are we getting a bite here? No? Yeah? This is it?
No,
all right. Thank you so much, Kirk, for that comprehensive report from the skies.